Alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Shufta. Shufta is a traditional dessert. It's a bite of crispy and crunchy dry fruits cooked in sugar syrup. This traditional dessert is loaded with nuts. It's flavorsome, bite of rich flavors and delectable taste. It's a part of Kashmiri Pandit cuisine and a must-have dessert. For making this rich dessert, I have taken half a cup of cashews, half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of blanched and peeled almonds, half a cup of sliced dates, or you can soak the dates first, then de-seed them and then slice. So I have taken sliced ones. Dates should be dry. Half a cup of coconut scraps, half a cup of black raisins, and half a cup of pistachios, or you can skip pistachios if you don't have. Then I have taken a pinch of saffron that I'm going to soak in warm water, and I have taken a few spices that include 1 bay leaf, 6 to 7 peppercorns or black pepper, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. And sugar I have taken around 1 cup, and ghee around half a cup. Half a cup of paneer or cottage cheese, and here you can see the cubes that I have made of paneer. I start with soaking all the nuts in water except coconut. I'm not soaking coconut, so I'll soak them for half an hour. Now I have drained the water after half an hour. You can see I have transferred them to strainer, and then I'll spread them on a clean kitchen towel. I'll keep them like this for some time. And now I have heated up the ghee and I will fry paneer. We have to deep fry paneer on both the sides. Once it's fried properly, take it out. Here you can see it's fried properly. You can use oil instead of ghee, but ghee gives very good flavor. Then I will fry coconut scraps in the same ghee. So here you can see I'll fry them on both the sides. Then I'll fry all the dry fruits in the same ghee. This dessert is not only easy to make, but it's full of health and wholesome ingredients. So we'll fry them properly. Once these are fried properly, then I'll be adding spices, bay leaf, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, and ginger powder. Then I'll be adding fried paneer and coconut scraps and sugar, and we will mix it, and sugar will start melting and it will get cooked in this. So this is the main thing, that sugar starts to melt. Then I'll add saffron soaked in water and a few tablespoons of water. I'll mix it properly and I will cover it and I'll let it cook. So before adding sugar, I drained some extra ghee from this. I'm not using the whole ghee that I had used for frying. The sugar will melt and all the dry fruits will get cooked in this syrup. You can prepare syrup separately and then mix the both and cook for some time. Traditionally, sugar is added to fried dry fruits and then they are cooked together. sugar gets melted and all the dry fruits get cooked in this sugar and they get the sweetness of sugar. You can use jaggery instead of sugar for a healthier version. I'll keep checking in between because we have to make sure that it should not get too thickened. It should have a running consistency and the sugar should not crystallize. Traditionally, sugar and ghee are used for this recipe. If you want to choose healthier options, you can use jaggery instead of sugar and you can use oil instead of ghee. Around 15 to 20 minutes on low flame, it's ready. So here you can see all the sugar is melted and consistency is thick. Like the sugar syrup should be thick, but it should not be crystallized. So here you can see, and it's served hot. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. It's served hot and it tastes amazing. It's easy to make and can be made with a choice of dry fruits that you want to add. Now I'm sprinkling some saffron on it as a garnishing. So here you can see Shufta is ready. It's easy to make, it's nutritious, and each bite is crunchy and sweet. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.